Question 1. The first electric trains Deccan Queen of India was run between. Correct answer is A. Kalyan and Pune. Question 2. Who started the Saka era, which is still used by the Government of India? Correct answer is A. Kanishka. The Indian national calendar is based on the Saka era. This calendar was adopted on March 22, 1957, along with the Gregorian calendar for official use in India. Question 3. Which area is called the storehouse of minerals in India? Correct answer is B. Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Question 4. Under the discretionary power of which article of the Indian Constitution did the Supreme Court of India recognize sex work as a profession? Correct answer is A. Article 142. Question 5. The East-West Corridor connects which of the following cities? Correct answer is D. Silchar and Porbandar. Question 6. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the demonetization of 1978? Correct answer is B. Morarji Desai. Question 7. The Reserve Bank of India was nationalized on. Correct answer is B. The 1st of January 1949. Question 8. Which ministry conducts census in India? Correct answer is A. Ministry of Home Affairs. Question 9. When the British rule ended in India in the year 1947, the literacy rate was just. Correct answer is B. 12%. Question 10. Which are the two major traditions of Indian classical music? Correct answer is A. Hindustani and Carnatic. Question 11. Which of the following states has zero scheduled tribe population, as per Census 2011? Correct answer is C. Punjab. Question 12. When did the Naya Paisa, introduced with the decimal system of coinage, become paise? Correct answer is A. April 1, 1957. Question 13. Sengol, installed in the new Parliament building of India, was seen as a symbol of the path of service, duty and nation in which empire of the past? Correct answer is D. Chola Empire. Question 14. Which one of the following acts led to the separation of Burma from India? Correct answer is C. Government of India Act, 1935. Question 15. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Correct answer is C. Mera Kumar. Question 16. The famous Ganga Sagar Mela, an annual fair, is held in which state of India? Correct answer is D. West Bengal. Question 17. Which among the following is the correct description of Nagara, Dravida and Vesara? Correct answer is C. Three main styles of Indian temple architecture. Question 18. Which act provided for the right to vote to women? Correct answer is B. Government of India Act, 1919. Question 19. Indian Railways has launched its first ATM on a train on the Panchavati Express between. Correct answer is B. Mumbai and Manmad. Question 20. Who among the following administers the oath of office to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is D. None of the above. There is no oath of office to be administered to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question 21. Which period is referred to as the period of population explosion in India? Correct answer is C. 1951 to 1981. Question 22. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinances is. Correct answer is B. Legislative power. Question 23. Which bank in India performs duties of central bank? Correct answer is D. Reserve Bank of India. Question 24. How many languages are there on language panel of Indian currency note? Correct answer is A. 15 languages. Question 25. Which is the highest award in literature in India? Correct answer is A. Jnanpith Award. Question 26. The head of the State Bank of India is designated as. Correct answer is D. Chairman. Question 27. The President can proclaim emergency on the written advice of the underscore. Correct answer is A. Union Cabinet. Question 28. The world's tallest statue of Mahatma Gandhi is in which of the following cities? Correct answer is B. Patna. Question 29. Which city is called the Gateway of India? Correct answer is A. Mumbai. Question 30. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Correct answer is A. Lord Dalhousie. Question 31. In which year was the concept of minimum support price (MSP) introduced in India? Correct answer is A. 1966. Question 32. The preamble to the Indian Constitution was amended only once, through the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. What three words were added to the preamble during this amendment? Correct answer is D. Socialist, secular and integrity.